Anish from BlackBull Markets. Today we're going to discuss what is an ECN. Of course, electronic communications network is what you'll find in Google, but what does it actually mean for traders and how does it benefit you, or what should you be looking for within your broker that allows you an access to an ECN environment which may be beneficial for your trading strategies. We're going to give you a brief description here and hopefully it will solve a lot of the questions that you've been asking about ECN. So first thing to note is that there is an inherent difference between an ECN and an STP. So people sometimes get the two confused. What the difference is, now the ECN is the electronic communications network that combines all the market makers putting their bids and asks in the liquidity pool, and traders get access to that. How do they get access to that? They get access to that via an STP. Now an STP means straight through processing. In essence, what it means is you place a trade on your MT4 or MT5 platform and you're STP'd into the ECN pool. That is essentially the difference between an STP and ECN. It's very important that you do not get the two confused, as they do not have any comparison. The only thing they have is a linking between your client to the ECN pool, your STP. Now, of course, there are two differences within broker models. There's the STP model and there's, of course, the market maker model. So, in the market maker model, what is the difference? Well, client, this is you in your MT4 or your MT5 platform. Now, instead of getting STP'd into the ECN, you're directly facing your broker. And your broker is the market maker. So, this is the market maker model. You're not STP'd into a pool of market makers which are controlling the ECN liquidity network, but you're trading directly against your broker. Now, what does an ECN combine of? Well, very good question. ECN, electronic communications network, what does it mean and who is in it and what does it involve? So of course the ECN is essentially essential for bringing about a transparent and an anonymous pool for traders to come and access into. Why does that make sense for you, or why does that benefit you? Well, that being anonymous means that people in the ECN cannot target you personally as a trader, because even though you're trading in an ECN, it's an anonymous network combined of market makers. So these market makers could be banks, could be other brokers, could be other institutions throwing their bids and asks in the ECN. What happens is several brokers come in and they throw prices in here and they get executed in the ECN by your market maker. Your market maker will be in control of giving these brokers a price. Clients are selling, they will be buying. Clients are buying, they will be selling. There's an equivalent trade-off between what is happening in the pool here. So this provides a transparent environment for trading because brokers compete for the best prices available in the ECN network. It is anonymous, as I said, and it is transparent. It also allows supply and demand to become a free market model, and that's how you get tight spreads. So in the era of 0.1 euro-dollar spreads, this is essentially equal to liquidity being apparent in the ECN network. So there are many bidders buying and selling the euro-dollar, creating a lot of liquidity for this particular FX pair, creating you with a favorable trading condition. So that is essentially what an ECN means. It is you as a trader getting straight put through into an environment that is an anonymous pool for banks, brokers, institutions to trade within. And you as a trader get supreme access to high level conditions, even if you have a $200 account with BlackBull Markets. So that is what we offer our clients at BlackBull Markets. We offer you straight through processing into the ECN environment where you can take advantage of institutional grade trading conditions. Name another broker that can do that. All the best.